is a video, so please say something for tomorrow, Priyan.
Hello.
Hello, only hello. Okay.
Namaste. Looking forward to meeting all of you tomorrow. Okay, please turn up on your mat on time.
Perfect. How about Pamsan?
I'm very excited to meet everyone and can't wait. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yuko-san.
明日皆さんにお会いするのを楽しみにしております。
ありがとうございます。See you tomorrow on the mat. Thank you very much.
シンガポールの案内書かせていただいたんですけども、この彼のスタジオでインストラクターをしております中村優子と申します。今回はたまたま東京にいたのでアシスタントとして入らせていただきます。基本的にあまり訳さないでおこうと思ってるんですけど、ちょっとなんとかなっていう時にはお手伝いできればと思ってます。よろしくお願いいたします。よろしくお願いします。
Okay. So good. The next 2 hours, what we'll be covering is actually part of a series of workshops that I have been. And 1. Look forward. Inhale, jump or walk forward. Bend lightly. Exhale, fold. Beautiful. Reach up. Inhale. All the way up, extending. Palms touching. Beautiful. Exhale. Come back. Let's take a moment, finding our first L shape. It will be with the standing forward bend. So your right foot halfway back. Right foot halfway to the back of your mat. Exhale, knee to nose.
Knee to nose, yes.
Okay. Inhale, high lunge.
手と手の間、
Good.
体を置きます。
Exhale, warrior 3. Good. Inhale, high lunge. Extending upwards. Exhaling, palms down, step back, elbows bent. 1 vinyasa, or you come to downward facing up. Good. Gaze forward.
手と手の
Inhale,
間見て、
step or jump to the front.
足前に戻ります。
And 1, slowly bring it back up. Good. As you can see, not very easy. Okay. Now, challenge yourself. Can you slowly take your hand out and place both hands on the hip? As you stay here, try not to lean backwards. Don't do this. Stay with the spine straight. Keep hugging inwards. Find a lift. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. And we shake it up. Very nice practice, everyone.
これ皆さんいっぱい大丈夫。
Someone roughly your same height, your same size. And this is the partner you will be working with until the end of the workshop. So let's find someone to work with. Yes? So what we are going to do next is to help each other stretch. This is an exercise, science-based practice. It is called PNF. Not sure how to translate this. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation.
多分やってみた方がわかると思いますね。すごくよく知られている方法なんですけど。
I can make it very simple. Yes, PNF. Very simply, it means that when you stretch your hamstrings, sometimes it helps when you start to push away from the stretch for a little bit of period. And this helps your muscles that once you stop pushing, then suddenly the muscles will start to relax and you find you can go even further into your hamstring stretch. Right?
I remember that.
Yes, you remember that?
この PNF ストレッチって言われてるのはGoogle で調べてみてくるんですけど、深くストレッチをするときに押し返すっていう力を使うと次にもっと深くいけるっていう練習の方法です。
So I'm going to demonstrate with you, Yuko.
これね、日本人のね、なんかいろんな人たちがね、あっという間に体柔らかくなる方法で紹介してるこの方法。
Okay, one leg up, Yuko, your favorite leg. Good. Good. So I'm going to kneel down in front of her with my knee going to here. My foot is here, so like so. Right? I'm not putting any weight on her bottom leg. I am just preventing that leg from bending, right? So not much weight here. I'm just having my foot here, my knee here.
力をかけずにちょっと押さえするだけ。
So this is going to help support her. And then I am going to place one hand here as I slowly move this hand down. And her job is to try to keep her leg as straight as possible, but slightly bending the knee is fine. So for the first, let's say 30 seconds. 30 seconds, I'm just going to stretch your hamstring. Okay. Yuko is very open.
こっちの手は誇張して、こっちの手は誇張して分かりますよね。で、こちらの役の方は自分の足を伸ばそうとするだけ。で、ちょっと膝が曲がっても OK です。で、30秒やります。
Now I'm going to ask Yuko to push me away. So start to push.
押し返します。
And I push back.
で、プリアンも押し返してます。
5, 4,
すごい激しい戦いがそこ
2,
で。
1. Now relax, relax. Relax.
で、リラックスすると、もっと次に深くいけるっていう。これはなんかね、よくやってる人。
Another 30 seconds.
もっと30秒やるって。
Okay. Push.
プッシュ。
5,
そう、さっきの。
4, 3,
きついですよ
2,
ね。
1. Relax.
リラックス。
And slowly go.
もっとやる。
Okay. And you find that you can actually go a lot deeper, right? But please talk to your partner so that you are not torturing your partner.
これ、大体もうこれ以上無理だなってこととかが分かるし、相手と話しながらやってください。まだできる？
拷問ではないので。
これがパートナーで。
Let's start. Let's practice.
すごくよく聞くのでやってみて。
Do we need straps here? No?
Those of us that can't reach will be using the strap. Yes, instead of the hands. shoulder above the wrist. Good. I'm going to just hold her leg here, and you're going to lift the opposite leg up. As you do so, push the chest back and hip up, finding your handstand, right? Stay with that length in your spine. Good. And when you're ready, gently bring it back down. So work with your partner this way. Wall is here, right? If she falls against the wall, so safe. So once again, three-legged dog position. Stack the shoulder above the wrist. Lift one leg up. Partner just need to hold that leg. Your job, lift the opposite leg up. Use the L shape, right? Come up to your L shape. If you are confident, then close the legs. Otherwise, don't close the legs. Try to push the shoulders back and bring the hip forward. That will give you the handstand shape. Otherwise, if you start to lift the leg, you will notice that you will tend to move there, right? Push the shoulder back this way, push the hip that way. Can we try one more time, just to show? So I'm the partner, I'm going to support her.
皆さん、私ちょっと説明します。そう今日これやった時にすごい腰を平行にすることでお腹使うの分かりました。で、内もも締めてたのを思い出して、そうするとお腹がキューッと使う。ここをまた思い出してください。で、あとこれもです。このポーズってそんなに大事だったんだって。プリアのスタジオで私本当に思った。誰も好きじゃないでしょこれ。でもこれをこうすることでめっちゃここを意識できるんですよ。これが必要だったんですね、インバージョンに。で、今それを皆さんこれから思い出しながらやります。で、あなたの仕事はこの足を上げること、サポーターの仕事はこの上の足を持つこと、ダウンドッグの人の仕事はこの足を上げようとすることです。
Yes?
Yes.
Please help each other.
ポイントはさっきも言ったみたいにこの3レッグドの時にいつもビヨーンじゃなくてここの意識と、あとはこの3レッグドッグになった時上の足を空に向かって上げ続けるっていう。やってみましょう。
Please help each other. Let's finish the last few moments of the practice. We only have a few minutes left, so let's make the most out of our time. Those of you that want to practice forearm, continue headstand, or if you want to practice with your partner, work on handstand. One leg supporting the opposite leg. Arms straight.
実践も手の間でいいから、もっと腰を上でね。そう自分の顔をこう先を越してください。そう体重に体全部肩からね、上からそういう腰が肩の周りに回る。
この辺だけを持つと、得意な方です。どっちが上げるかな。こっちですね。で、その時にこう持って上げていく。お尻を後ろになので、お尻をバナナになってるので、ここをリブスイン。で、肩をこっちに、お尻をこっちにしたいんですけど、今ちょっとバナナになってるので、こんな感じで。
Opposite leg.
お尻を後ろに
Legs straight.
ここはイン、ここをエンゲージ、エンゲージ、エンゲージ、エンゲージ、ショルダーをこっち、ショルダーをダウンドッグの意味、はい、よいしょ、ダウンドッグの気持ちでプッシュ、プッシュ、プッシュって感じです。
Your legs straight.
大丈夫です。そういう意味はわかる。
The forearm steps.
ダウンドッグとかこの辺の
すごい綺麗だった。ありがとうございます。
お尻と肩でちょうどいい感じの方向で
バットをして、つま先天井、つま先天井。上がらないよ。私は綺麗にできてる。ここが腰が入るんで。Is this good?
He's working on trying to find more. He's working on it.
あ、もうすぐバランス取れる。
So
いい感じだと思います。とても。
yes. The other one was better. Much straighter. This one you need to step.
なってないですね。大丈夫です。今してますか？なるほど。ここで
But otherwise,
お腹を
because
使ってみます。
yeah.
そうです。
Okay. Okay. So let's repeat the practice, everyone.
皆さんいかがですか？練習大丈夫ですか？
That I show you my handstand.
先生のハンドスタンド見たいですよね。
So I have a warning. That I spent 7 days in Japan already, and I ate a lot. So my center of gravity is very different now.
日本に7日間いてちょっと練習してないから大丈夫かしら。
Now we'll try.
そう、旅館行って箱根の旅館行って、ハネムーンだから2人の。
お尻が肩の上にピタッと乗ってる感じですね。
So we keep practicing, everyone, and I hope you achieve all the poses that you want to achieve and get really strong and really flexible with yoga. Thank you very much, everyone. If you have more questions, right, I can answer them after the class. But for now, let's start to release the pressure in your wrists. So slowly, gentle rotation. Okay. And then the opposite direction. Let's do a reclining twist with the knees together, or if you want to, cross your left leg over the right leg and twist to the right.
左足を右足にクロスしてかけて。
And we keep the left shoulder on the mat.